Wow.
And it was beautiful. And I know we had some contingencies on it. And I know with the HVAC system, that was your biggest. That was always the biggest, like I'm not gonna say deal breaker, but it was like the biggest concern because you've already experienced HVAC problems in Florida, correct?
Yep. And like I knew that when the sound would be cold,
Yes.
like you know what? God gave me some type of brain
Yes. Like,
that functions.
yeah.
So I always thinking like a step ahead, like you know what I mean?
Yes.
So I said, you know what? That's important to keep the house warm. I still am frugal. I keep it at 66, and I have like some like
Yeah, like layers.
yeah, but it's comfortable. Like
Yes.
I don't realize that when you come from outside to in here, it's warm in here.
Right. Yeah.
So that HVAC thing was very important. It was 15 years old.
Yeah, and then we looked at the outdoor unit, and it had all of those messed up vents on the side of it, and it was like, nah, we got to do something about it. And then we went upstairs and we looked at the pan, and we seen that the pan had some rust in it. It's like, nah, we can't do it. And then the hot water heater tank, like it was old and outdated, and it was like, nah, like this house is beautiful, but we have to have that. And I remember talking to the agent, and I was like, listen, my client loves this house, but the HVAC system, we have to do something about it. So I sent one of my partner companies out here, and they took a look at it, and they gave us a phenomenal number. And I asked the seller, I was like, hey, listen, I know you guys are leaving us the furniture, you're leaving us with all your blessings, we really appreciate it, but we gonna need some help on this HVAC system. And when they checked the box and she said yes, I knew it was ours.
That's why I applaud you. You are, I would say, a great realtor that you really did above and beyond what any realtor would do because you were looking out for me. Like you you took me in like as a friend
Yes.
versus like just the client. You knew what I was looking for, and we build like a friendship.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
And, so I said, you know what? I lost that other house, remember?
Yes. Yeah.
But I told you let's give them full price, and we said 339 that we needed.
HVAC system, right? And the numbers checked out. I mean, it was above budget, but I mean, the way I structured the deal, I made sure that if we give you something, you're gonna give us something. And so to have the hot water heater tank, new hot water heater tank, and I was even gonna pay half of it with you. It was like, okay, you know what? They're not willing to pay for that, but hey, you know what? Hey, I'm willing to buy this for you because I know you absolutely love this house. You were stuck on this house. I think we came back the following day after being under contract and just to walk back through the house again before you even left Florida, left to go back to Florida. So yeah, everything checked out. And like I said, with the HVAC system and the hot water heater tank, I mean, we had to have that. And when we got it, it was no reason. I mean, I think you were super excited. I think you was in Florida, couldn't wait to get back here.
Oh, for sure. That's without a doubt. And like you said, you were willing to buy me that hot water heater.
Okay.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna let you do that because that's gonna come out of your pocket.
Okay.
That's the reason I said no. I'm gonna take care of it. Because you're a young man, still you have a family.
Yeah, of course.
And you're a God-fearing man. And I said no, I won't let you do it. So I told you, Khalil, no.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
But you did offer, and you are a great person.
Yeah.
Besides
Thank you.
being a thorough realtor, you are a great person. So
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind saying that if anyone wants to work with a good realtor, there's a demand to see right here.
Yes, absolutely.
This is a person.
I appreciate it. And I mean, even still to this day, I mean, I randomly call you. We talk about sports. You know, I ask you how, of course, everything is going. Do you need help with anything? I'm always in best interest of helping, you know, my clients out. But again, we have from November 9th, from that conversation we had initially, I just knew that it was going to be far more than just a realtor and just a business relationship. You know, it's just a natural relationship. We have a lot of similarities. You like the bowl, I like the bowl. You have 3 girls, I have 2 girls. You know what I mean? So
We're still gonna go bowling, and we're gonna play billiards.
yeah, do some pool, shoot some pool.
You are a busy man, and you have family. And
Yes.
10 month.
Yes, 10. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we are gonna bowl and play billiards. Absolutely.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Now, fast forward, life in Winston-Salem post transaction. How do you feel about Winston-Salem now? Do you still love it, or?
I still love it. I'm looking for the future. To find. I'm a person that doesn't mind being home all day.
Yeah.
This is my castle, and this is not just the home.
Mm-hmm.
This house is so beautiful. It is a castle.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Right now, I'm living here by myself till maybe my brother will move in, or my daughter. We're still discussing it. But I feel great, like God gave me this.
Yes.
And look at it. I mean, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
I don't show my happiness because I'm like middle. Like I keep my load in the middle. And
Yeah.
my eyes in the middle.
Yeah.
This is great, and I'm fortunate. Let's put it out.
Yes. Awesome. Well, Peter, I was happy to have you sit down with me and just chit chat a little bit about this transaction. And most importantly, I was happy to work with you as well as a client. You was very understanding, very thorough. You knew exactly what you wanted, how you wanted. And although we all get discouraged along that journey, you allow that to not stop you, but you also let me take a little bit more control and let me help you and guide you. And I really appreciate that. So, you know, as flexible as a realtor you have to be, your clients also have to be flexible as well, because you just never know. So, Peter, I thank you so much
Yeah.
for allowing me to help you.
It was